Your weekends get flashier. Your apartment suddenly feels too small. And just like that, your old budget is a ghost of the past. But here's the trap. Your lifestyle keeps growing, but your freedom doesn't. You're earning more, but you're not keeping more. You're stuck on a treadmill disguised as progress. This isn't just about spending, it's about control. And the longer you ignore it, the harder it becomes to stop. Lifestyle creep doesn't knock. It just moves in quietly and robs your future in silence. Lifestyle creep sounds harmless. But don't be fooled by the soft name. It's financial quicksand. It starts when your income increases, and instead of saving or investing that difference, you spend it. Not recklessly, just habitually. You upgrade your phone, lease a better car, order takeout more often. You feel like you're just enjoying the fruits of your labor. And you are. But here's the catch, so is your spending. What was once a treat become the new normal. And slowly, your cost of living expands to match your income. No margin, no savings, no safety net, just more stuff, and more stress to maintain it. The danger? You never feel poor, but you're just one emergency away from reality hitting hard. Your first real raise feels like winning. You've worked hard, sacrificed sleep, leveled up your skills, and now the money's finally catching up. But that first raise? That's the moment most people lock in their financial future, for better or worse. Because instead of adjusting their strategy, they adjust their lifestyle. New gadgets, fancier dinners, bigger rent. And suddenly, that raise vanishes before the next paycheck even hits. No savings, no investment, just higher monthly costs disguised as rewards. The truth is, your first raise isn't just income, it's a test. A test of whether you'll spend like everyone else, or build like the few who break free. Most fail that test. Will you? Here's your first defense against lifestyle creep. Lifestyle caps. Think of them as boundaries, the invisible line between comfortable and careless. Before your income rises, decide how much you're willing to let your lifestyle grow, and then lock it in. For example, tell yourself, no matter how much I earn, I won't spend more than 30 of my income on housing. Or, I'll only increase my lifestyle spending by 10 for every 50 income boost. These are personal rules like financial guardrails. They keep you grounded when the temptation to splurge creeps in. Because without limits, money will find places to disappear. With them, you build wealth without feeling deprived. Discipline today equals freedom tomorrow. You can't trust willpower, especially when money hits your account. That's why the smartest move is automation. Before lifestyle creep even has a chance to tempt you, make your money move itself. Auto-transfer a set percentage of every paycheck into savings, investments, or debt payoff accounts. Think of it like this: you never miss money you don't see. So don't wait to feel ready to save. Let your system do the saving for you. This one step turns inconsistent habits into consistent wealth. It protects you from yourself, from the late-night splurges, emotional spending, or upgrade temptations. In the battle between emotion and automation, automation always wins. You've been sold a version of success that's loud. Luxury cars, branded clothes, high-rise living. But real success, it's often quiet. It's waking up without money stress. It's owning your time, not renting your life for a paycheck. It's being able to walk away from a toxic job and still be okay. To avoid lifestyle creep, you have to reprogram your definition of wealth. Stop chasing validation. Start chasing freedom. Remember, spending to look rich keeps you working forever. But choosing to live below your means? That's how people build real, lasting wealth, the kind that doesn't need to be flaunted. Choose wealth over image. Choose freedom over flex. If you ran a company, you'd track every dollar. So why not treat your personal life the same? Once a month, sit down and audit your expenses like a CFO. Where's your money going? What's essential and what's just emotional spending in disguise? You might be shocked. That $200 dinner? That streaming subscription you forgot about? They add up not just in cost but in lost opportunity. Track it. Categorize it. Cut the noise. You can't control what you don't measure. This one habit alone can save you thousands each year and expose lifestyle creep before it becomes your lifestyle reality. Act like the CEO of your money because no one else will. Let's look at two people, same job, same 80,000 salary. Person A gets a raise and immediately upgrades everything. New car, luxury apartment, weekend getaways. Every dollar earned, spent. Their lifestyle looks impressive, but their savings account says otherwise. Person B also gets a raise, but their lifestyle barely changes. They automate savings, invest consistently, and live on less than they earn. They still enjoy life, but they own their choices. Fast forward 10 years. Person A is still working paycheck to paycheck, stressed, and trapped in golden handcuffs. Person B, they're financially independent, not because they earned more, but because they kept more. Same salary, same opportunity, two completely different outcomes. This is the power of resisting lifestyle creep. Most people think lifestyle inflation only costs money, but the real price? Peace of mind. Every upgrade brings new pressure, higher bills, longer work hours, more stress. You chase comfort but end up chained to income just to maintain the life you built. That designer bags, it doesn't erase burnout. That luxury car, it won't cover emergency bills. And deep down, you start to feel it, the weight of living for appearances. You're no longer working to thrive. You're working to sustain a version of yourself you can't afford to pause. Lifestyle inflation doesn't just empty your wallet. It fills your life with silent anxiety and invisible obligations. You deserve better. Here's the truth the wealthy rarely say out loud. Staying rich is quieter than getting rich. It's not about flashy purchases. It's about silent moves like maxing out your investments, building emergency funds, and owning assets that grow while you sleep. It's about mastering the urge to impress and choosing to build instead. When you avoid lifestyle creep, you don't just save money, you buy options. You buy peace. You buy time. 10 years from now, you won't remember the shoes you skipped, but you'll thank yourself for every dollar you saved and every freedom you bought. So build quietly, live intentionally, and let your wealth speak, even when you don't. If this hit home, don't just scroll past. Hit that subscribe button, because building real wealth isn't about luck. It's about mindset. And here, we teach you how to protect your money, your time, and your future. Drop a comment. What's one expense you're cutting back on starting today? Stay smart, stay intentional, and remember, freedom is the real flex.